Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add annual card to your Apple Wallet. So the first step is just go to the App Store of your mobile phone and just search the name of the application called Annual Pay. And once you write this down, Annual Pay, click on search and you'll be seeing this application called Annual Pay. And once you find the application, just download it, and once downloaded, just click on open. And once you click on open, so you'll be seeing this interface, like this is the home section of Annual Pay. So just make sure to log in with your account, add your annual card here, as you can see, like other options as well. So make sure to add your card into the annual app, and once added, like this is the application Annual Pay. Once done, after that, just go to the wallet option into your mobile phone, and from here what you can do is just click on the plus icon on the upper right corner. And once you click on plus, it will take a few seconds to load. And once here, you can just select your transit card, like make sure to select this option called transit card. And once search, just make sure to write down the name of your card annual on this section. And as you can see, like I have not added my annual card into the application. Once you add the annual card into the Annual Pay, so you'll be able to see your card into this section. So you can just click on it and add it into your Apple Wallet. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.